Nenga nebaze nnyo nyabambeererawo nga mfunye obuzibu obwo whereby goons low educated goons are being used by powerful people mostly in security to undermine, blackmail, victimize people, power activists and supporters because they don't believe in a world of ideas. So it's quite challenging to the young people. Kwanza nali manyikiddwa n'eri abatamanyikiddwa abetaaga better medical attention n'okusinganza because may had a big injury but there are people who are worse in prison. Come on. Let us be humans. Sincerely, why do you want to kill somebody's kid? And then you tell us that you are securing our future. So the future of death, future of sorrow, future of corruption, it doesn't add up. And I find it senseless to even talk about dialogue in this country because people have lost loved ones. Parliament, it took the speaker's intervention yesterday to convene parliament so that those families are compensated. You kill somebody, you compensate that person as if you are compensating a hen, a dog, or a cat, whatever. But I thank the Almighty God that I'm still alive and I'm still here, and I will continue supporting the struggle, and I forgive those people who were sent to hurt me. I forgive them from the bottom of my heart. And I don't have anything like persecuting them because that's what we preach in this struggle. Yes. Yes. Inaanza sibawalana. Kwa mukama waffe, principal waffe Bobi Wine kyatusomesa. Era kyatusomeseza ebbanga lyonna. You are fighting for democracy when you have a dictator, a president who has never respected the law, a president who doesn't respect human rights, a government where they don't respect ideas, they don't respect intelligent people, even the most. Abantu abakola ebikolobero. Abantu abo bayina ababatumanga nabo b'amaanyi. So government tesobola kuwa accountability ku government. Kati yakikoze nga ali mu government. Era government bye byaliwo mu kutta Kaweesi.
The same people in
the government. The same people who were in the murder of Kaweesi, they were the same people who were what? Looking for the
finding out the
who killed Kaweesi. But they were the same people. The police, our security agencies are infiltrated. It shows that murderers are not in civilians, they are in security.
They're the same people.
They are the same people. You have the intelligence of Kawukumi. So that means that mu ggwanga lino abakwasi b'emmundu ekizibu ky'eggwanga linafa omusawo ngatta abantu balwawo okumanya nti yabatta. Mu Uganda we don't have counterintelligence. The only counterintelligence we have are threatening Museveni's presidency. But when it comes to crime, like crime and single crime, because most of the perpetrators of these crimes are government agencies and people in government.
The government engineered.
And this government has a history. Kuva mu nsiko okwefuula nti bo bennyini bateekawo obubiina bw'abayeekera babulwanise kuva dda. Bennyini nyini. Lero osobola okuwulira nti abayeekera bazze bali ntuŋŋamu naye nga bo bennyini be bataddewo. They change every time. So that's why wobera mu government yeni ofa mangu because you don't know who is who. You don't know who is who in this government. They are militias. Aine yakuba abagizi ba NRM. Police nemunonya ne bakubako ne bifaananyi omanyi Aine yali bodyguard wa Mbabazi bamusangawa wa genocide. Nenga polisi yamunoonyanga
nenga mwali
mu ggwanga ne bagamba nako nti yafa. Nze nabeeranga mu abaana b'NRM nga unemployed youth obo kyabajjukira ababeeranga abapapula nga Honorable Mbabazi abawa ssente babikole
to promote them.
The same government nga yewa abantu ssente bekalakase and they unemployed. Kati gwe oli opposition ne bayingiramu kumbe tomanyi banera nga babatwala ne babasita
Gwe ne
bakulekayo. Kati goloza mulwanirira byammwe as youth.
Kumbe
Strike ze makerelezo zira manyindo achi yagwao kaihura kuva kubwa IGP. Tewali strike ye market wali mwana ali striking kaleta mumanyi. Era zagwanga mangu. Nga manya akulira Lumumba, amanya akulira Michi, amanya akulira Dagala Sivira nga abakubira amasimu nga tastusena mu office. Nagamba tamale. You want money? I know you want money. Can you stop it? Eno government eno jiveko eyino obungodira bwayo bakifeesi lwaki bagenda babijambia
kwanti karo yagenda
tewali mubbi ali mu Kampala awo poliisi gwetamanyi tewali mubbi yali mu Kampala nga poliisi temumanyi bino byenkugamba bituufu buza muzeeyi obeera ne bamubaka essimu ne tugenda ku poliisi Kamanda police namugaba akubidde wanakwata simu nagamba kawoya leta simu y'omusajja mubuuzo ojja kulowooza nkulimba omukulu wa police ngakubira kawoya leta simu y'omusajja togiyiwa spare gwe tamu n'omuntu newe oba yagala okulaba nti gavumenti eno yabayekera gwe banemundu nga tebagimanyi
bakusimirawo
President Museveni yali tasobola kukkiriza babbi badiweya n'abataka wese babeere mu ggwanga nga tabamanyi.
This is serious. Okay, bana flash like channel Uganda we tuli twaba obatangaza nga mu buli nsonga ezindainda mu nsi tulondola abantu baffe betera okuchaza ku mukutu guno okuli omwana wa Tamale Mirundi senior gwe bayita Tamale junior musajja ono bannange byafaayo byennaku bibadde bisesa badde bikabya amaziga abamu nga mugamba omusajja oyo adda ku mpewo omukama kyaddaaki munaffe amusaasidde omusajja kati asobola okwogera esaala zammwe zonna zaakola bannaffe baatubuyambi tweyanzeege tusimira ddala kwe tuli is a political honest beba na abagenda okujja taata we naye saawa ali omu ku abali mu budde bwakawungeezi kakati regime eri egende kakkana bweti kakati taata tetwagala nti no Mirundi abenga yafadda twetaaga afe mu mubiri mu mwoyo nga kwali ne mu njigiriza nga kwali kuba kakati watali ono yaliwo kakati n'olwensonga eyo tusiima mwebale nnyo Tamale azengulu alikinana ku 10 okubeera obulungi nankota nabakudda 100% naye ate waali ebyuma mmanyo byavaamu bamukiza omusaasa asobola okwogera netantana kuluma gumba kwayinza okuluma eggumba olwa neruddayo gyerwava Tamale kulikayo mu ddwaliro
Professor Nkulamasiza gyebaleko nebaza abawagizi ba Flashlight Uganda abagobera programu ezitali zange zokka nene ez'okola ez'abalala when I was sick I used to watch there are some young people you boleeta wano who are good and honestly you bring other people like Mr. Mirundi, Mr. Byalugaba. These are people who have shaped us in politics.
Absolutely.
They know a lot. Our generation, we don't read a lot. Twaganye bintu byakagwerawo. Yet politics is about reading because you have to know the past. You know the future so that you can predict what is next. That's why you have so many half-baked politicians. Being a lawyer, you are good in law, but you are not good in politics. You are not a political scientist. You don't know the principles that govern politics. That's why bamuzata bavuddewo ani oyo omusiraamu omulala that intellectual omugenzi
Anan Kalisi.
Yeah, he was a very intelligent man. I used to watch his show program nenga nebaze nnyo abambeererawo nga mfunye obuzibu obwo whereby goons, low educated goons are being used by powerful people, mostly in security, to undermine, blackmail, victimize people, power activists and supporters, because they don't believe in a world of ideas. There's so much focus on their interests. What do we want? And who is going to execute that? It is so absurd that in this government or in this political environment, you don't have to ask. Even the people they use to execute their duties, you don't ask. Okay, I'm going to do this. And many of them approach us. And they tell us we are also not comfortable with what is going on in government, but we want money. And you see very many people are being victimized, people are in prison. Our comrades, they are still in prison. But there are no cases. They don't go to court. Those who go to court are put in kangaroo courts to face kangaroo judges. And you find a man like Segirinya tortured, taken to Nairobi. So this is the order of the day. And this is what we are going through every day. So it's quite challenging to the young people. Kwanza nali manyikidwa na eri abatamanyikidwa. Abetaga better medical attention n'okusinganza. Because may had a big injury, but there are people who are worse in prison. One time I read the story of a man, yali safe houses. What takes place there? And sincerely, if you have that point of humanity, no, leave politics alone. Okay, you support NRM, I support NOPA, you have support FDC, whatever you are supporting. Let us be humans. Sincerely, why do you want to kill somebody's kid? And then you tell us that you are securing our future. So the future of death, future of sorrow, future of corruption, it doesn't add up. And I find it senseless to even talk about dialogue in this country, because people have lost loved ones. Parliament, it took the Speaker's intervention yesterday to convene Parliament so that those families are compensated. You kill somebody, you compensate that person as if you are compensating a hen, a dog, or a cat, whatever. So it's quite unfortunate. But I thank the Almighty God that I'm still alive and I'm still here, and I will continue supporting the struggle, and I forgive those people who were sent to hurt me. I forgive them from the bottom of my heart. And I don't have anything like persecuting them, because that's what we preach in this struggle. Yes. Yes. Iranze sibawalana. Kwa mukama waffe, principal waffe Bobi Wine kyatusomesa. Era kyatusomeseza ebbanga lyonna. Nobody has monopoly over violence, because nobody is immune to death. Even the simplest insect can cause the simplest pain to you. But that's not the way to go. That's not the country we want, and that's not what we are standing for. We are standing for a better Uganda for everybody. Good education, security for all, no nepotism, no tribalism, whereby educated people can have an environment. If you don't have a job, but you can have that good environment where you can express your ideas and your skills. I'm a psychologist, okay? But even the environment does not guarantee
your safety.
Exactly. So how many people are like me? There are millions of people who are going through torture, low self-esteem.
And that's why sometimes I ask myself, there are people who have been tortured 100%, but they are not known. They are voiceless people are there suffering. That for you, among the survivors, you are still existing.
And I thank everybody. I thank this channel. I thank you. I thank people. I thank my family. for being there for me. It was really a hard time.
It's an unbelievable moment, my friends all over the globe, that we're in the country that is treating people, even animals they have their own rights of not being beaten. But our fellow human beings are being beaten day and night.
Yeah.
I'll give an example of Mabadi Segrinya currently. He's suffering because he was tortured.
Yeah, he was tortured. Absolutely, he was tortured.
We have seen those who can't even talk.
Because torture is you have two types of torture. Physical and psychological.
Psychological is the most dangerous.
It's the most dangerous and people don't know. Abantu baganya okulaba bine ebiwundu. Balooza ebiwundu bye bisinga, but do you know that I don't sleep? I get up at night kwa ndabanga bagenda okunzita nga bakomyewo. I say I don't sleep because nzo okuka buli kiro nga ndabanga bagala okunzita bakomyewo. So there's a lot that as activists in this country, as people power supporters, as people who love change, there's a lot we are supposed to do. Not in the struggle alone, but maybe to pray to God that the people who are in positions of power in this country stop suffering from inferiority complex, and they come back to reality that there's a generation that needs change in service delivery, change in policy.
But do we have even active policymakers in this nation?
No, we don't have, because we don't have policy analysts. We don't have policy analysts. Every time, in fact, omukulembeze yali asinga eteeka eddungi ery'ettaka yali Idi Amin. Waki Idi Amin yafuga ensi eno nga talina parliament? Because mamuli ku amending, you amend the law. But before you amend, you have to go back and let us differentiate. Etteeka lyebbi oba amending yembi? Because every time it's about amendment, passing new laws that don't work. So we should go back and see what happened to the other law before we amend this one, before we legislate another one. So it's about policy. It's about policy.
Now, abanafu abatulaba olwale tugenda kukosa ennimi bbiri, ab'oluzungu n'ab'oluganda, because there are people who are asking, where is Tamale Jr. amidst that he was tortured? He was really still very sick. Kati olwaleero wuno akomyewo. So we're discussing what transpired in the processing Amurade and how is he feeling at the moment. We need your prayers. Still, we should not send to here.
Yeah, I'm still on medication.
That in Tobogendako Rehabilitation Center, no. He's a psychologist, he can control, and even other psychologists like us, we can come and help.
That's true.
We need that kind of help, because if we don't do that, you end up wesanga oyitiddeyo bw'oba nga toli helped in that version. Kakati Junior, in the process nga tunagenda ku mulamu gaffe gunako olwaleero, gwe ng'omuntu, which advice would you give those guys, those who are not tortured and those are tortured? Which advice would you give?
If you're fighting for democracy, when you have a dictator, a president who has never respected the law, a president who doesn't respect human rights, a government where they don't respect ideas, they don't respect intelligent people, even the most intelligent, the cream, because not everybody in that government is not intelligent. There are people who are intelligent in that government, but there's a lot. So I do believe that we should come together as a country. We should come together, professors, people in various sectors, and we have a dialogue. We have a reconciliation process, because at the election, people died, people lost property, people lost loved ones. Now we need a reconciliation. process of bringing everybody. That's what the Americans do. But you still have people in government who are still victimizing people. It's as if we are still in elections.
Junior, I don't want you to think too much because you're still under medication and you need to be all that to concentrate on your medication and to focus after this what is next into your health. Kakati, Junior, which advice? There are people who are still suffering in Chitalia and other areas. Do you think the government of Uganda is aware of the situation that you went through?
Yeah, the government of Uganda is aware, and some good people in government gave me assistance. They gave me assistance, and they wanted really to find out what really transpired that day. On March 11th, it was the third day at 8 p.m. But you know, when government is fighting government, you know, the people who are doing this how should I say it? I don't want to abuse people. Abantu abakola ebikolobero. Abantu abo bayina ababatumanga nabo b'amaanyi. So government tesobola kuwa accountability ku government. Kati yakikoze nga ali mu government. Era government bye byaliwo mu kutta Kaweesi.
The same people in
the
government.
same people who were in the murder of Kaweesi, they were the same people who were what? Looking for the
finding out the
who killed Kaweesi. But they were the same people. That's why CID tebera na report ku misango gya murder. Because everything is state engineered. You find Muhammadi, the assassination of Muhammad, the assassination of sheikhs, the Bijambias in Masaka. People could even first throw papers bagenda basula ebaluwa ntugenda batema. And the president accepted. Police erimu kawukumi. Nachikiriza.
Which action did you take?
Manyi statement yo kyetegeeza. The police, our security agencies are infiltrated. It shows that murderers are not in civilians, they are in security.
They're the same people.
They are the same people. You have the intelligence of Kawukumi. So that means that mu ggwanga lino abakwasi b'emmundu ekizibu ky'eggwanga linafa omusawo ngatta abantu balwawo okumanya nti yabatta. Because you do believe nti yakoze omulimu ogwo. N'omukwasi w'amateeka nga mubbi. Nga yagakwasisa amateeka naye nga mubbi. Kati mu Uganda we don't have counterintelligence. The only counterintelligence we have are threatening Museveni's presidency. But when it comes to crime, like crime and single crime, because most of the perpetrators of these crimes are government agencies and people in government.
The government engineered.
And this government has a history. Kuva mu nsiko okwefuula nti bo bennyini bateekawo obubiina bw'abayeekera babulwanisa kuva dda. Bennyini. Leero osobola okuwulira nti abayeekera bazze bali ntuŋŋamu naye nga bo bennyini be bataddewo. Kuva dda balina history eyo to unleash violence on their own citizens. Nekoni style. Era kivula nga mama wako ni president yamuzimbira ennyumba nnungi
nga ino okwagala.
Kakati n'olwekyo bo, yes, they are rebels. Ebintu tebitegeerekeka. They don't have a formal structure. They change every time. So that's why wobera mu government yeni ofa mangu. Because you don't know who is who. You don't know who is who in this government. They are militias. Aine yakuba abagizi ba NRM. Police nemunoonya ne bakubako ne bifaananyi. Omanyi Aine yali bodyguard wa Mbabazi. Bamusangawa wa Genosale. Nenga police yamunoonyanga.
nenga mwali
mu gwanga ne bagamba nako nti yafa
ne bannaye
bana abasajja balina history ewebyo obumodimodi kababizanya mu nsiko babimanyi bazanya bi Nigeria byabwe
babimanyi
zenabera ngama abana benalemu nga unemployed youth obo kyabajjukira ababeyanga abapapula nga onda ne bomba bazi abawa sente babikole
to promote them
the same government nga yewa abantu sente bekalakase and unemployed kati gwe oli opposition ne bayingira mu kumbe tomanyi baneranga babatwala ne babasita
gwe ne
bakulekayo kati goloza mulwanirira bya mwazi youth
kumbe
strike ze makerelezo zira manyindo achi yagwao kaihura kuva kubwa IGP tewali strike ye market wali mwana ali striking kaleta mumanyi era zagwanga mangu nga manya kulira Lumumba manya kulira Michi manya kulira Douglas Villa nga abakubira amasimu nga tastusena mu office nagamba tamale you want money I know you want money can you stop it nonga sawa we are going back to lecture rooms ne wakusindikira sente kusimu emitwala 3 nanga strike ewe
no manya diro ewe
ne strike negwa kwa ebera ne balingi leaders strike ze makerere zibera ne balingi leaders tezete kauzoka eranga gwe ekikubira ekikubirwa simu ku police kubulira nti bane yolwalero giri nti bane sigiri mugundi yagirimu
nga bakasabasabo
eranga kastole baleta sente kandi olwekyo government eno giveeko eyina obungodira bwayo bakifeesi lwaki bagenda babijambiya
kwanti karo yagenda
tewali mubbi ali mu Kampala awo polisi gwetamanyi tewali mubbi yali mu Kampala nga polisi temumanyi bino byenkugamba bituufu buza muzeeyi obeera ne bamubaka essimu ne tugenda ku polisi kamanda polisi namugamba akubidde wanakwata essimu nagamba kawooya leeta essimu y'omusajja mubuuza ojja kulowooza nkulimba omukulu wa polisi kakubira kawooya leeta essimu y'omusajja togiyiwa sipeeya gwe waliwo police station ziwano mu Uganda nga zo tuzimanyi twazivaako
nga gwe gwazo ogenda
okulopanoga ati banange babya essimu yange ku ssaawa ya Queen nga kamanda yasindisa bagibidde write a statement there you'll come back obuzzi bw'emisango buli mu Uganda muno bwonna buli state walaba badi weya yinansana abazige ne baggala ekkubo ne babadde weya
bagikiikeno ne battamu
n'omuntu naye oba yagala okulaba nti gavumenti eno yabayekera gwe bane mundu nga tebagimanyi
bakukimirawo
President Museveni yali tasobola kukkiriza babbi badiweya n'abattaka weesi babeere mu ggwanga nga tabamanyi.
This is serious.
President Museveni yali tayinza kukkiriza kubeera mu nsi erimu gye battaka weesi bwe batyo nga tabamanyi.
The supervisor mundu zino ne supervising esijavudde mu mundu kika kiri sasa lwaki ebyo byo byagaana
n'abakola operations nze batamagala bwe nawanikira ensi eno
bakola President Museveni
ne bamugamba
nga bakamutema kolugalo ne balulete bagamba
teka sente zaffe ku simu ne bamala ne bamutta ne bamukasuka wali ku Northern bypass ng'omukulembeze yennyini aliko yanoonyereza ababbi naye ababbi naye nalema okubafuna mpaka nakati tebamanyi batemu kati gwe lina eggwanga okyabuuza nti lwaki bankuba Magala ye namuwanikira enkofiira era kasita namanya nti Magala afudde nga wano wetutuuse bannange obudde nga buzze kuki
kubunaabo
kakali ffe olaba nga batukuba baga olaba embwa egoba ow'ekiwempe ate oweddiba onaasala
olaba kuba Magala ate gwe Junior
ate nzi olaba batta Magala tata Magala omanyi President siye yabika siye yali chief yabawayo bano bukadde 7 baleme kumuttanira ne bibirya
nenga tebalaba simu okunoonyereza
nga tebalaba
Uganda yo
kati Uganda yafa baswazanya eggwanga head of state
yanoonyeza ku misango
ginoonyereza kata babbire bamulaga nti gwe twakwetooloola kati abakola ebyo bamunda bamanyi capacity ya government era golwoga ati tugenda backtracking nga baseka gobulaja noga nti abakuba nyenda banoonya nyenda babereri bali abinyo look at this idiot
yefe munakola ki you're the people in the system.
Yes.
Nenge kitufu tusabire nsi yaffe Uganda because this is going to be very dangerous.
Kati kankubulire situation in Uganda jeddamu. Abantu bagenda kufa. Fact road mayor yaga wano wetutuse tugenda kola ki?
Kufa.
Tugenda kufa. Kwa tugenda kuba ne wave of insecurity. One zitandise okweyoleka before even swearing in ebipiira amasomero gazeemu okujja
wetugenda okutandikira maaso awo katukumbamu katudakiika zino then tutandike straight nga tukyalindeko oli omwami omukulu nga banatera okumaliriza nabo akati Junior mu bimpimpi okay kitwadde our interest twadde kumanya nti embeera zo obulamu bwo buli butya ate ne wootuuse naye twebaza Omukama ate nokyali mulamu ate ogenda owona
yes
nekyo sijja kwerabira nga banasula naffe bana flash lecture nabya Junior mwagifuna ate mugirina nti please you can mwogereko ko naye asobola okuddenga okugamba mu mubudde psychologically mwogereko ko naye mwebale nnyo mwina abakikola abampa comments and advice mugamba nti mwamutuukira Junior I was very impressed.
Thank you.
Kakaterese namba yesimu oba kuno okyasobola okukwata amasimu gaba
ya nkwala nenjogera n'abantu
kuno gibaddamu gibaso
it is 070 96 40 15 1.
Yeah.
That's my number.
The number Junior, please kindly keep sharing with him. Let us be his counselor at this particular moment. Kuba where he is atwetaaga naffe tumwetaaga. Kakati n'olwensonga eyo mutukirize tujja tuwayawaya muko Junior. Okimanyi mu sister wo yali ajidde mu ssomero eryabuddu.
Yeah, I remember I was there. Nze yaddayo nze kama somero. That time. It was 2008.
Nibo chede somero.
14th April. Ngayo kye somero it was a Monday. Ba sister bange babiri bali bajiriddeyo.
Kakati ekisinga okutwewuunyisa. Lwaki ebintu ne bikomyeyo ate bijja mu style? Era badzeemu ne balyokya. Oba lyayide simanyi. Insecurity, what is causing? Is it kubuzaabuza abantu? Go obirabawa nga gwe.
I have two opinions over that. One, amasomero gano nagagamu gayina obunafu. One, abaana b'amasomero bola baabo bali so careless because baba banguwa muntu alekako pass mu socket. Mwana asobola okulekako pass mu socket. Secondly, amasomero agamu gawadde nnyo abaana ebbeetu. They don't check their suitcases properly. Omwana najja ne kalayita. Omanyi technology akyuse ennaku golooza pen. Kumbe kalayita. Aina kalayita mu keesi. Baka charginga. Abana babira n'ebintu bingi nnyo ebiyinza okuvaako omuliro okwata. Because of structure y'essomero amasomero agali free. Nga nogendako mu dormitories z'abaana it takes time. Ngo bunafu obwo buli bayide kuba amasomero gonna tegafaanagana. Twanze nalimbaddeko mu ssomero. Kandi olwekyo amasomero agamu gayina nnyo relaxity wekidda ku security y'abaana naddala mu bisulo. Ate agamu tegajjangako. Omanyi lwaki? Gayina method gye gakozesaamu okufuga n'okumanya abaana bye bakola.
They are very strict.
They are very strict.
Which is very nice.
Which is very nice. And I'm going to give you one school because in Zendimanyi, Seta High. Every dormitory inako wa security. agituulako nga abaana bali mu class. Every dormitory. I'm talking about every dormitory.
Not the whole school with one askari.
Not one school with
one
askari ali omu atula ku gate ani ayingidde n'afulumye. Because you must oyina okutangira abayingira, but even inside oyina okubeeramu naki
ne security.
Secondly, amasomero gonna agajja bw'ogenda mu bank account zaaga gasinga obungi gayina amalooni. They are using this trick as a funding method, fundraising for money. Era ebimu ku bya bino byenkugamba ebimu ku byaleetera Buddo Junior okujja causes naliyo. One, there were people who wanted money. Abamu bakikola out of malice. So secondly, gayina amabanja gaba gagala kusonderako sente ekizimbe kyayidde tukisondereko sente. Some, not all, but some ogenda okusanga ebyenfuna byabwe badde tebikola ki tebitambula bulungi, so they make fundraising and they get money. Ekisembayo bayina entalo zaabwe mu masomero omwo. Head teacher gondi tetumwagala kwanza nalimbira byeko management batekewo ki
mpya.
But ne government yenu gyolaba eno eyabayekera naye esobola okugookya security bireko sente. Ensi bw'ebanga eteredde security tekola kubanga batalina budget. Bayina okubeera nga buli kiseera government eri ku tentacles. Kibala ng'omuntu akosanga plan ya Bobi Wine n'omugamba eyo ogimanyi nga tonambuuza bbi eyo wagitegeera oboloza ekaali kalulu kati sooka omanye ombuuze bbi ye se n'abaaki kakati leero nkwatidde bbi